Hey everyone, we are at Restoration Hardware Outlet. I came to see what I can find. I'm looking for coffee tables, so let's check it out. That is gorgeous. Coffee table too. I need a big coffee table. Wow, I have been living next to this store for so long and I never came in until today. And it's because my sis, Julie Simply Love, she showed on her video that she came by to see it. And I'm like, you know what? I need to go too. And that's why we're here. Oh my goodness, this table is gorgeous. $2,230. I like this coffee table, but to be honest, let me show you the one that I really, really like. It's right here. This would be so perfect for my house. I think it's cracked a little bit, but it's beautiful. I love the tone. If not, we can always do this one. Oh, this is a lot cheaper. Beautiful. Oh wow, this is nice. I was looking for something like this for my dining room. Oh wow, this is $4,000. I noticed that everything here is very low. I wonder why. This is a marble coffee table. Wow, 2,680. Oh, this would be on the ground. It might be too low. I also need to figure out what I'm gonna do with my entryway. To be honest, I feel like leaving it as it is, but I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna keep looking. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous for outside. I love it. Oh my goodness, this is another of my favorite. Wow. I can imagine dinners in my patio with this table. This would be an upgrade of what I have now. I love huge tables. I have a big family, so maybe that's why. But they are all real wood. The quality is there, definitely. I can see why Restoration Hardware is very hyped up. But also, in my opinion, I wouldn't pay full price, which full price is the one on the top. This is full price, this is sale price. So I'd rather purchase from the outlet. Okay, so we like the bar stools, we like the coffee table. What else? Let's go upstairs and see what they have there. Oh, this is gorgeous. Check it out. So beautiful. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like it gives you ideas of how to display your furniture. Keep on. Wow. Pretty cool. This is a marble table for this much. Alright, we're gonna go up there and see what they have at the top. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow, this bed is gorgeous. I am obsessed. This bed is everything. And it's a twin bed. So beautiful. I need a dresser for the girls. Oh my god, that dresser is perfect. This dresser right here is so beautiful. I love the tone. And it's only $910, which is not bad. But it's more for like a nursery, I want to say. Oh my goodness, this is heavy. This is exactly what I was looking for. Exactly. This would be perfect for the girls' rooms too. So this is the kids section. It's pretty small. They also have some cribs on that side. I'll bring you guys so that you can see. That's a really interesting desk. Love it. On this side they have some beds, so let's check out the beds. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Let's see the price. Those are some really pretty nightstands. I need a rug for every room. Actually, for my husband's office, I would like a nice rug. Okay, I like this one right here. So beautiful. Check out the retail price. So yeah, we're getting a good deal. Definitely. And the pattern, I feel like it's really manly. Very, very nice. Oh my goodness. Check out these couches. They are gorgeous. Wow. 3 pieces. No, actually, no. This is only 3 pieces. This is a different price. This is $2,000. And that one is $3,000. This is a nice coffee table too. Let's see the price. It's 60% off. I like it. I need something this big. But to be honest, my favorite is back there. So let me show it to you one more time. Oh, they have mirrors too, you guys. I'm not looking for mirrors. I have tons of mirrors at home. And this is a teeny coffee table. Super small. No, I think I'm definitely gonna go with this right here. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I love the texture of the wood, but I don't like that it has a crack. So for that reason, I wouldn't pick this. I can try to come back and maybe see if I can find it again, because I love this style. All right, so they have the chandelier that I'm looking for, and check out the price. Much less than online. Right now he's helping me to see if I can find it in silver, or I think chrome. Chrome would be better. I think chrome would be nice. But wow, so much cool stuff. Thank you, Julie, for influencing me to come here. I feel like I'm gonna be here all the time now. Anyways, let's go downstairs. I will check in with you guys after and let you know what they tell me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me and for window shopping. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the prices, the styles of the furniture, and everything else. I will see you on my next one. Bye guys. That was so much fun, and I cannot wait to come here again. I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.